was awful.
Yeah. It was not enjoyable at all.
Now you will have better roads.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. This is better.
Okay,
Fuck off.
This is the last one. This is the last one. I was trying to do some video for my phone and it kept clapping out. I'm like, fucking out of storage. Are you not plugged in anymore? No, it wasn't that. Should I grab it so I can show Mom? Yeah. Because I'm resetting my phone.
Well, you guys can just navigate from
the cord, the white cord.
I'm not looking at the road right now.
Oh, that's what you meant. No, my bad. You're good. Uh-oh, car went.
Shit. What the fuck am I supposed to do?
Go to the left.
Just literally go into the bush.
As best you can.
Like, more.
They're gonna back up.
Backing up.
Fuck's sake.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. Good thing we got full fucking coverage.
Fucking.
Oh my god, this is the funniest thing.
Yeah, if you're a psycho.
Thank you, Lassie.
A friendly wave.
Friendly wave.
Oh, she wasn't happy about that either, was
No, she wasn't. She expected me to back up.
Well, she had to back up far less than what we would have had to.
Well, there was one just back there for me. I mean, if it's straight and I can anticipate a car coming, then I'll pull over happily. But I'm gonna pull over on that side.
You're about to get on main road.
Okay, good.
You're taking a left at the stop sign. Yeah, a left where those cars are flying from.
Jesus. Who drives that thing on this road? Like, that's
Let this guy.
Yep.
Alright, follow them.
Thank you.
Follow
We
them.
actually have the right of way.
Alright, way better.
Well, there's a line in the middle at least, not on the outsides.
Yeah.
Still a little tight.
Am I making you nervous on the right side, Jamie?
No, you're fantastic.
Okay, good. I'm so glad to let this person go first.
She's nuts. The speed limit's 80. So then